Hi everyone, welcome to Play and Learn with Tevin Berry. Today we are in the plant room and today Tevin is going to help me to plant some pepper seeds.
We're way up on the deck, really high up in the air.
Yes, so what are you going to do, Tevin?
We're going to put these in the water.
Okay.
So let's drop them.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's drop one,
Peat pellets,
two,
a lot of them in.
three.
What's going to happen to them?
They're gonna get huge,
They're
like
gonna
this
get
one.
huge. Let's see. Let's put a lot of them in.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, a
four.
lot. Just grab a bunch and just throw them all in.
Yeah, it's really fun to do these.
Yeah. Yep, just throw them all in. They're gonna get huge. Okay.
A little more. We shouldn't do these though.
No, that one is just too big. Okay.
But we can do these.
They need to get wet. And then you're gonna put each of them, each one in that tray over there. Okay, you think we have enough water?
I hope.
You might have to get more water. It might take a little while for them to
Expand.
You think we have enough?
Yeah. No, I think we might need a little more.
A little more water?
I'm gonna go get some.
Okay, get some more water. Taven's gonna add more water.
3, 2, 1, pour.
Okay. Is it warm water or cold water?
It's cool, but also warm.
Okay, whoa, see look, there's a lot of them getting big.
They're expanding already.
Yes. It might take a little while. I think it would be good to kind of like
They're getting
press it down a little.
big.
It's gonna take a long time. But at the meantime, you just want to help me? What are we gonna plant? See all these
Peppers.
seeds? See the seeds? Over here. You see their roots? They're ready to be in the soil. And what kind of pepper is that? Can you read?
Jalapeno.
Yes. Is it spicy?
A little.
A little. Can you eat jalapeno?
Maybe. I've never had it.
Okay, maybe you can try. Okay. We're just gonna have to wait, and then we're gonna stuff all this pellet into those planting cells. Okay? And then we're gonna plant the seed. Okay, after we let them soak in the water for a while, now look at
Do
them.
they have to be soft?
No, look at them now, how big they
I
are.
know.
So you're gonna put each of them in those cells. So I fill the bottom with the potting mix because the potting mix has fertilizer, but these don't have fertilizer.
Okay. So we're back.
We're
These
back?
things are huge.
Yes.
Let's put them in.
Okay. You
Oh,
know which side
wrong
up?
way.
Yeah. You know which side to go up?
Yes.
The one that has opening, right? Look at the bottom one.
I know.
This is fun.
It's fun. I love gardening.
You love gardening? I'm so glad you love gardening too. Okay, just put the big ones.
Also, by the way, they don't have to be soft.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you do the next 3.
You want me to do the rest of them?
No, do the next 3.
Okay, will you help me plant the seed afterwards?
Yes.
Okay, let's open this up. Can you help me open this up?
Okay. So, these are the seeds.
Yeah. Make a hole like that a little bit.
Okay, make a hole.
Not too deep. And then you're gonna grab
Oh, I make a
Yeah,
hole.
look. grab the seed like this. Do not grab the root, okay? And then you're gonna gently put it down like that. And then it just kind of like that. See? You don't have to grab it. Can you do
I'm going
it?
to show you how to make a hole
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah.
So, put your tweezers like this.
Mm-hmm.
Stab in. Stab.
Mm-hmm.
Follow me.
Yes. And then Kinda-
release.
Yes, okay.
And then
That's all.
in and look.
Okay. And we have to put the root side down and gently plant the seed. You don't have to cover the seed, just plant the roots, okay? It takes a lot of focus. Alright, now we're done with planting. What do we have to do now?
Label them.
Right away. So can you help me write the name? Just write jalapeno and the date that we plant today.
Also, there's no school tomorrow either. We'll probably make another video about this.
Okay, so
There's a little crack here so where they can get.
it's okay. Well, so you can stay warm in here. We're gonna cover it on this. Thank you for helping Mommy Taewin.
Hi, my name is Tywin Berry. I like gardening just like my mom. And we are growing bell peppers in this video.
Oh wow.
Also, if you want to be notified when all our new videos come out, if you like our videos, like and subscribe right now. We hope you find this video useful. So we mix the seed starting mix with water, and now I'm mixing this around and my hands are really dirty, and now I'm gonna fill this up so we can put the bell peppers in. Some of them are peat pellets.
Yes. You just have to fill it and make sure it's all firm and fill it to the top, right? And make some more dirt. Yeah, add
So
some
what
more.
I do need is
A cup or something?
No.
Here, I got a cup. Hey, you want to add some worm tea in there?
yeah.
Let's get some worm tea.
Okay, so when putting up the lights for your plants after they sprout, then put it about 3 inches by the maximum away.
Right there.
So they won't be like too tall and too lakey.
That's good. What are you growing, Taewin?
We are growing
These are what? Peppers?
peppers. I love gardening. I'm going to do this for my school and donate plants for the cafeteria until I make $200.